Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit resume on Indeed app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the store. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to edit your resume, you need to go to your profile first. Here you can see the 3 lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select the profile option from here. In the profile page, you can see the CV section. I've already uploaded a CV before. I had built this resume using Indeed CV. So in order to edit this resume, I'll just tap on this. And over here, it will show up all the information that I've entered before. Now you can make your changes to any details over here. Let's say if I want to add a new work experience, here you can see the plus icon right beside the work experience option, so tap on it. Now fill up the information related to your previous work. Enter the job title. You can give the name of the company. Similarly, you can fill up all the information. And once you're done, you can tap on this save button. So you can edit all the options as per your requirements. You need to keep in mind that after you edit the options, you need to save it and it will be saved on your CV. So that's it. That's how you can edit your resume on Indeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.